Doing the paint job, you might have felt the pressure before. To reduce waste, to meet environmental regulation, to comply with stricter standards and procedures, and every year there are new goals to be met and the market is only getting more competitive. And how can you choose the best application to meet all of these requirements? At Qlayers, we do not only provide you the solution, but we also let you see the real impact of your green effort while using our coating robots. Hi, my name is Alessandro and I'm excited to introduce the Qlayers Sustainability Dashboard, a system designed to predict and track the environmental impact of your coating projects with some important KPIs. So let's see an example. Imagine you're working on a project with 10 tanks. Each one of them is at least 35 meters in diameter and around 20 meters in height. So this makes for a total surface of around 22,000 square meters. On the surface there might be some obstacle that might limit the operation of the robot. So let's assume that around 85% of the entire surface can be covered by the robot application, while the remaining 15% can be done with the traditional painting method. For the comparison, we are comparing our robotic paint application with a traditional spray gun application. We are using different variables in our scenario, so feel free to pause the video and see through all the results in the scenarios. So let's run the number and see the comparison. First, you can see that our product can decrease the amount of paint used by 30%, which means around 3,200 liters of paint less. Less paint means reduced cost, but also reduced resources for the production, less transportation, and of course, less waste. Plus, our 2K pump system eliminates the need of pre-mixed paint, cutting down even more the amount of waste and unnecessary processes. Next, we are talking about Overspray. The Thank You robot reduces it by 90%, which means a 35% reduction in environmental impact on different categories. When it comes to greenhouse gas emissions, we are seeing a reduction anywhere from 5 to 30%. Meaning around 1 ton of CO2 equivalent, a step in the right direction towards your sustainability goals. And it's not just about the environment. In this scenario, we are also enhancing worker safety by reducing the working hour in heights by 50 to 60% and reducing the direct contact between the workers and the hazardous paint compounds. And let's not forget about durability. With a precise and consistent application, you'll see an increased lifespan of your coating, meaning fewer touch-ups and a lower long-term maintenance cost. From paint savings to emission reduction to safer working environments, the Sustainability Dashboard puts all of your sustainability metrics at your fingertips. At Qlayers, it's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done rightly, for your people, for the planet, and for your business. The dashboard also supports the use of different features, such as the paint use, the DFT, the access method, and the country of operation, allowing you to compare effectively different scenarios. Have a coating project in mind and you want to compare different coating methods? Connect with us today and let's do the calculation together.